Welcome to my YouTube channel Quiz Time.
Hello animal lovers, can you guess the animal by their sound? So let's get started. Here is your first voice. Can you guess this? Who is this animal? It's hyena. Here is your second voice. Let's guess this. Yes, it's walrus. Can you guess this animal? Let's crack this. Eagle, it's right answer. I hope you guessed this one. I think it's easy one. Well done, it's dolphin. Here's your next voice. These are your options. It's hippo. Check your knowledge about animal. Let's crack this. It's orangutan. Guess the animal. Let's guess this. Correct, it's pigeon. Let's see, can you guess this one? Here are your options. Lynx, can you guess this? Here is your 9 voice. Can you guess this? Who is this animal? It's sheep. Recognize this voice. Let's guess this. Yes, it's koala. Can you guess this animal? Let's crack this. Barn owl, it's right answer. I hope you guessed this one. I think it's easy one. Well done, it's bear. Here is your next voice. These are your options. It's duck. Check your knowledge about animal. Let's crack this. It's lemur. Guess the animal. Let's guess this. Correct, it's falcon. Let's see, can you guess this one? Here are your options. Bullfrog, can you guess this? What is this animal? These are your options. Well done, pig. Here is your 18 voice. Can you guess this? Who is this animal? It's zebra. Recognize this voice. Let's guess this. Yes, it's fox. Can you guess this animal? Let's crack this. Tiger, it's right answer. I hope you guess this one. I think it's easy one. Here is your next voice. These are your option. It's buffalo. Check your knowledge about animal. Let's crack this. It's peacock. Guess the animal. Let's guess this. Correct, it's jackal. Let's see, can you guess this one? Here are your options. Leave your answer and comment below.
I hope you enjoy this video. For more excited videos, don't forget to like and share.